10,000? Are you kidding me? 10,000?
Oh, hands on deck!
Woo! Holy shit.
Can't believe it, dude. I've been looking for you for literally like years, man.
Gosh, gee. Honestly, I just can't believe it. I mean, 10,000? It just boggles my mind. So, I mean, before we go any farther, I guess a huge thank you is in order. I mean, if it weren't for you guys clicking that subscribe button, we wouldn't be here today. So I put together a little something to celebrate, so to speak. Something nice. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ah, so good. It is pure silver, about 2 ounces worth, as a matter of fact, so don't be getting any ideas, mate. YouTube only gives out the play button awards for like, what, 100,000 and 1 million subscribers and whatever. I mean, into ridiculousness, but you don't get anything for 10,000. So I made my own play button award, so to speak. I mean, it's a pirate coin. It's not really a play button. I guess I should probably mention too, this is not an official award. Don't expect to get one of those when you reach 10,000. I mean, unless you make your own. Here's a little proof that I'd actually put this together myself. Here's a little bit of the behind the scenes. Sometimes I even impress myself, mates. 10,000. 10,000. That's crazy. Wow. Mind blown. I mean, honestly, it's because of you guys that we're celebrating this 10,000 milestone. So this award is actually for you. Here, maybe you want to have a closer look. It's just so cool, isn't it? I tell you what, how about we keep it here? We'll put it up on the wall somewhere with all the other crazy things we've done. Something else you may have noticed, I've been a little busy down here in the studio, kind of reorganizing and redesigning some things. And I changed up some of the lighting and you know, some of the decor back here. Plus, I mean, you got all these balloons for celebrating that whole 10,000 thing. Tear a balloon in half. I mean, look at the place. It's looking good, isn't it? So much junk, it's so hard to find a place for it all sometimes. So that's why things are just kind of haphazardly thrown and crammed in back here. But SpongeBob's happy about it. Look at that. Look at him smile. He's so happy. Alright, so we gotta find a permanent home for this thing. I mean, there's gotta be a good place back here somewhere that we can put it someplace perhaps a little prominent, that maybe everybody might see it. Yeah. Yeah, I think this will be just right. Yeah. Yeah. It looks good over there, doesn't it? Ah, yeah. I like it. Ah, that's perfect. So thank you guys for watching. Clicking that subscribe button. I mean, that's why we're here, is because you click that subscribe button. I appreciate that. And for clicking that like button down there as well. You know, every time you click that like button, it helps me out, helps the channel out, helps other people find out about this channel, and oh man, the more fun we're gonna have. So thank you guys again so much for helping me get to this point. I really appreciate it. And you know, if you haven't already, there's that subscribe button down there. Just saying. So thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. And aside from that, I'll catch you guys next time.